here to present you a seminar on using NLTK for education and scientific purposes. Next. These are my agendas. First is introduction, basic terms in NLTK, Python, and these are some models in the NLTK. Application, demonstration, future scope and controls. Before going to see the actual seminar, I would like to tell you one thing, that my seminar is based on the NLTK, Python and NLTK, natural language processing. NLTK is the natural language toolkit, which is developed in Python. So Python is the very popular language nowadays, and NLP is the biggest research area nowadays. So if you choose in the B your project based on the NLP, then my seminar will help you. Let's start with the actual seminar. What is NLP? NLP is the natural language processing. Natural language are those languages which are spoken by the people, like Marathi, Hindi, English. Here you see the diagram that input is natural language, computer will process it, and output is also a natural language. As we studied in the MRS, the natural language processing is the subfield of artificial intelligence. It makes the computer to understand the language, understand the human language. These are the basic terms in the NLP. Before going to see the actual programming in natural language, we will see some basic concepts in the NLP. These first three blocks represent the speech recognition. Speech recognition, by the speech recognition, we will convert the speech into the text. After that, the natural language processing comes in the picture. The first term is the phone. Phone is the acoustic signal or the sound, like this, L, K. These are the phones. Now the phonetics. Phonetics tells us how the signals are classified. Means for the L, the signals are classified. For K, the other signals are classified. Then we see the phonology. Phonology tells us how these forms are arranged to form the word. Then after the phonology, lexicon. Lexicon is the important term. Lexicon is attaching the information to the word. Means let's take the word saw. Saw is the past tense of sense, see, and it is the verb. So this information, attaching this information is the lexicon. Then next is the morphology. Morphology is the analysis of the word into the morpheme. Morpheme is the smallest unit of the word. Next, let's take a word, unbreakable. How many morphemes contain? 3 morphemes. First is the un, second is the break, and third is the able. Now the un and break is the bound morpheme. There are 3 types of morphemes. These are the bound morpheme, and break is the free morpheme. Third is the root morpheme. In the root morpheme, if you write the chatter, then er is the root morpheme and chat is the free morpheme. After the morpheme, the syntax comes. Yes, grammatical. How the sentence is grammatically correct. This is the check based on the tree. Then the semantic and pragmatics. Semantic means meaning out of the context, and pragmatics means meaning in the context. Let's take the example of the door is open. So in the semantics, semantics means the meaning of each word. The door is the noun, the is the determiner. And the pragmatics means which door it refers. It knows the meaning. So this is the pragmatics and semantics. Next. So Python. As you know, Google is using Python. Python is easy to run, object-oriented, runs everywhere like Java and open source. Basic operation in Python. Here are some basic operations. There are lots of operations. The basic command prompt acts as a calculator, and here is the structure list where I perform this append insert operation. You can use the stack by using these 2 operations, list.append and list.pop. The stack is created, and they have given the double-ended queue here. You have to import that from the collection package, and .pop and .pop. From these 2 functions, you can perform the operation on the queue. NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit. NLTK is used for programming of the natural language processing. Easy to use, NLP programming, open source project, and fun with the text. We will see further in the slide of fun and with the text and data. Next. These are some models in the NLTK. We will see some of these models because covering all models will take large types: NLTK, corpus, tokenized, and collocations. These are some basic operations in NLTK. Now, NLTK, for performing operation, we require a large amount of data. NLTK provides you a large amount of data. We will perform the in the NLTK.book package. They have given the 9 books, name text 1, text 2, up to text 9. We will perform the operation on text 1. Here the length of text 1 give length. Set function will give the distinct words from that book or that text. Now the calculating frequency. Calculating frequency is calculating the frequency of each word from that text. It is necessary for calculating the meaning from out of the text. The frequency this function gives us the frequency of each word. Then long word. Here we will use the set theory operation. Here we will get the power of Python. Let's say set theory. W is the word we have to find. Where W belongs to the vocabulary or text 1, and PW is property. The length of the word should be greater than 50. So how you write this set theory in the Python? Simple. I want a W word for W, where W belongs to vocabulary text 1, and length function of length word is greater than or equal to 50. How easy? It is so easy. So you can recognize power of Python here. Next, the basic terms in the NLTK. Classification. Classification is organizing the text according to subject, according to tense, according to tagging. Now, what is tagging? Tagging is same thing, attaching the information such as is it a past tense, is it a noun, or is it a verb. Tokenizing is breaking the sentence into the words, into the small forms. We can use the regular expression or the delimiters here. Then stringing. Stringing is same in breaking breaking the words. For example, my word is jump. So I will break words like this, ed and jump. This is the stringing. And correlation means most frequent words. Sequence of the words that are mostly offered together. When you type in the Google like movie name, then free download, suggestion comes, you free download. These are the most frequent words that are come together. This is the correlation. Here is the first module, that is NLTK.corpora. Corpora contains the large information. You need to process. You have to process on that information. Like Gutenberg corpus. It contains the 25,000 free electronic books. Second is stopword corpora. Stopword corpora contains the most frequent words like the, a, and. If you want to reject that word from your text, you can use the stopword corpora. Then the corpora in other language. Now the corpora in other language. NLTK also contains the corpora in German, Japanese, Hindi, Marathi. I will show you the Marathi corpora here. This Marathi text on the NLTK prompt. This is the basic prompt of the Python. Here I will show you the Marathi. This is the Marathi sentences or the corpora they have given. You can perform any operation that we are performing in the text in this Marathi corpora. Now the word list corpora. Word list corpora contains the millions and millions of words that our operating system uses for